hope you're all having a good day. It's a nice non-windy day for pizza making and unboxing my new funnel. Oh, I hope this fits. It's supposed to go in the top of my wood pellet burner. Let's make it. It's a homemade stainless steel jam funnel. It's large capacity. And it's a pretty good funnel. Just tighten it up quickly there. I hardly tighten it up much just so that there's not much air going through the gap. A nice little handle. I need to light it. I've got the chimney lid up, check, door on, check, chimney lid off, check. Let's just see how that's coming on. Oh, I can't see anything actually. I'm gonna have to do it for longer. As I'm making the dough, the pizza, putting all the toppings on, my funnel should now take over and feed my wood pellet burner. Let's see. Right, so that's now caught on. Now going to do the dough for the pizza. This dough has been cold proofing for 3 days. I've warmed it up. It's been in the fridge and I've warmed it up now, so I'm gonna see what it's like. So I'm gonna add some tomato sauce. Some mozzarella. Some parmesan. This is working. The pellets have gone down, so that's good. Keeping everything going. I can hear it roaring in there. So let's see what the oven temperature is like. It's about 200 at the front and it's 310 at the back. I'm going to unbox my metal peel. This is aluminium. It's nice and light, it's got a nice handle. I hope it fits the oven now. Yes. Yes, it fits. My new pizza peel. Let's see how this is going on. I've lost the... So it's 320 at the back, hasn't gone up much, and it's 200 something at the front, so we've got way more to go. My pizza's waiting. I hope that sauce doesn't go through the dough and cause me problems now. Oh, my dial wasn't straight. Okay, let's see. I've waited 10 minutes. It's now 430 at the back and about 300 at the front-ish. I'm gonna leave it for another 10 minutes. They can get stuck in there and you do have to sort of push them down. They just stay there. There's a big gap and I have to sort of just push. So that's another 7 minutes. I'm going to just check at the front. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in now. I hope this isn't stuck to the base. The thing. Right, do I use the pizza door or the... I'm going to use the pizza door because it's not windy today. Is the flame coming over? No, it's not. It's gone down the back again. It's not coming over like it was just now. I think I'm going to start off... No, it's not. I'll have to use the door. I don't want to use the door though, but... Now, I've got to get used to this. This is big. This peel is big. I've got to get used to it. Yeah, the flame isn't coming over the front now. I've put the pizza door on. I'm going to turn it round and then I'm going to put the pizza door on. Right, I'm going to remove this door. And put this one back on. Very quickly at all. I'll move it a bit further to the back. That's cooking much better now with the door on. Make sure we're in the right place. It's having a really good top cook on here, and the base has got a good cook. This is my rubbish dough. If it isn't one thing, it's another really, isn't it? That's absolutely my rubbish. My dough. I don't know. There's no lefting on this dough. Just to turn it around. Where things could go very wrong. Oh, I think that'll do. That'll do. Flame cooked on the top. I'll go and check the bottom of the pizza now. Cheese pizza. Cheesy pizza. Let's see. Let's have a look. This looks nicely cooked on the top. Added some basil to garnish. Can't say my dough's the best dough this time. Ooh, yeah. That's last time I used the wood pellet burner I did overdo the base, so this is good to know that I can cook the top and the bottom with the wood pellet burner without doing too much damage. Putting the mozzarella and the parmesan together is good. It's really good, really nice. The thing is, with this pizza is that it's got such a yummy taste, and there's not that many ingredients on it. Makes it very tasty. Flamed top. So I think I'm very happy with the wood pellet burner. It's, you know, that's good to give both tops and bottoms a good cook. Really flavourful as well. Very nice. I'm gonna try a piece with the basil too. That definitely gives it that extra flavouring. So this is a really nice tasty pizza with the wood pellet burner. Base is lovely and crunchy, the crust is crunchy. It was a 3-day cold proof dough, and when I saw it, it just deflated, and I thought, this is just not very bubbly. Bubbles kind of just deflated out of it, but it tastes good, very nice.